Okay, so today I'm going to talk about the new Elgato Cam Link that I just got. I just got it in. It's been really hard to get. These things have been worldwide shortage of it, and I'll just show you on the websites here. I went to all like Ted's Cameras and JB Hi-Fi and even Amazon and everything. Nobody's got these. Nobody's got these. So where did I get mine from? So this is the Cam Link there. And you basically plug in the HDMI on one side, and it goes to USB, and you can stream the camera. As most of you know, if you've been watching my channel, I'm using like the Q DSLR dashboard, and that's just through the USB of the camera. But I was getting artifacts in the hair and that sort of thing, and it's a bit hard to do a good green screen for. So I'm hoping this new Cam Link is going to solve all those problems, even though it costs, I think it was 130 US. It worked out to about $263 Australian. They're selling for about $250 here, but since there was a shortage, I ended up getting mine from a place called Adorama, which I bought a lot of gear from before, and it looks like I might have got the last one because Adorama is showing on back order now, as you can see there. So I was quite lucky to get this one. Got them from Adorama here. Woohoo! So let's have a look. Let's have a look what you get in the box, because I haven't even unboxed it yet. So let's go over to the iPhone on the desk here. Here we go. Nice looking box. Let's see what's inside. I've just done the sticky. There we go. It's quite good. All right, what do we got here? Oh, so inside, so I've done like a little bit of a extra box. It's got there, you can download the software from Elgato there. So what you get a USB extension cable. Let's have a look at this. And looks like it's actually gold plated. I'll take the little things off here. Yeah, there you go. Gold plated. That's a nice little touch. Gold plated there, and on the other end, looks like it's gold plated in there as well. So they've done a good job there. And then you've got the little Cam Link here. There we go. And basically you just plug the USB part into there, and the other part goes into your computer. So you put the HDMI in here from your camera, and that goes in, transcodes it, and it goes into your USB of your computer there. So you get a little couple of stickers as well, looks like. So what I'll do is I'll play around with this. At least might need something to pry this out with, a pair of scissors. That's in quite nicely, isn't it? Jeez. As you can see, I have not taken these out yet. Little Elgato sticker. Some instructions. What's it say here? Might need my glasses for that. That is very small writing. But yeah, I think it's just your usual warranty. But yeah, I'll give it a bit of a play around, and hopefully this will do the trick. I think a few of you guys will be salivating seeing one of these, because they are out of stock worldwide. So there we go. Got my little Cam Link. Woohoo! And hopefully it will get rid of these artifacts of the in the hair and so forth that you see. But it shows up, especially on full screen. Like, I recommend like the Q DSLR dashboard if you're just doing like a small window. But when it's full screen like this, it does get a bit annoying, the artifacts. You've probably noticed them, but I'm a bit of a perfectionist. And with the green screen as well, you'll get like a shimmering around the hair and everything. So hopefully that's going to fix up my green screen issues, and I can start playing around with green screen. I actually got a cheap green screen that I made up just using some fabric. I might do a video on that as well. If you're strapped for cash and you want to make a cheap green screen, especially if you live in Australia, you just go to Spotlight, and I'll show you the fabric that I got. It's like a polyester, and $6 worth of fabric, and you can make a green screen. So there we go, guys. So there we go. That's my first impressions. It's nicely made. It's made in Taiwan, and The USB extension is quite nice. It's got the gold plating on it, so that should work quite well. So I'll have a good play with it and get it all working. I'll do another video on that. So I'll see you next time, guys. Cheers.